Digital Secrets presents the era of SGE. Picture this, no more scrolling through pages of web-based listings. Instead, you're presented with AI-crafted responses directly within the search interface. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, this is not a sci-fi movie, but the reality of Google's revolutionary AI-driven search advancement, the Search Generative Experience, or SGE for short. An uninspiring name perhaps, but don't let that fool you. Stay tuned as we unravel this exciting transformation in Google's approach to presenting search outcomes. Just imagine a world where search results are not just a list of websites, but AI-crafted responses directly within the search interface. Welcome to the world of Search Generative Experience, or SGE. You see, SGE is Google's new approach to presenting search outcomes. It's like having a digital concierge at your fingertips. Instead of giving you a list of websites to sift through, SGE uses artificial intelligence to generate direct responses to your queries. It's a shift from the traditional, somewhat passive way of delivering information to an active, user-focused experience. It's less about finding a needle in a haystack, and more about having the needle delivered right to your hand. But what does this mean for us? Well, this could completely revolutionize the way we use search engines. Forget about scrolling through pages of search results. With SGE, your answers are served up, hot and ready, right within the search interface. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you need when you need it. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's designed to make our digital lives easier. And it's not just about convenience. For digital marketers, this is a seismic shift. It's a new playground with new rules. It's about understanding user intent on a deeper level and delivering content that doesn't just rank well, but truly answers user queries. So SGE isn't just another upgrade, it's a game changer in the realm of digital marketing and search engine optimization. Now, let's delve deeper into what makes SGE a significant shift in Google's search approach. SGE, or Search Generative Experience, is Google's answer to the evolving demands of the digital age. It's not just a new feature, but a complete transformation of how we interact with the search engine. Firstly, SGE presents a leap in personalization. It uses sophisticated AI algorithms to understand the context and intent behind your search queries. This means the search results you get are tailored to your unique needs and preferences, making the search experience more relevant and efficient than ever before. Secondly, SGE promises faster access to information. It does away with the traditional list of web links and directly provides AI-crafted responses within the search interface. Imagine getting the answer to your question without even having to click a link. This is the speed and convenience that SGE brings to the table. Lastly, SGE is poised to bring significant changes to digital marketing strategies. With AI-generated responses, marketers will have to rethink how to optimize their content for visibility and engagement. The emphasis will likely shift from traditional SEO techniques to creating high-quality, contextually relevant content that can be picked up by SGE's AI. With these key points, it's clear that SGE is set to redefine our search experience and the digital marketing landscape as a whole. What does the future hold for Google's search results with SGE? A question that has sparked countless discussions and debates among digital marketers and SEO experts worldwide. As we stand on the brink of 2024, the future of search seems to be evolving at a pace faster than we could have ever envisaged. The revolutionary Search Generative Experience, or SGE, is set to redefine the way we approach search. No longer will we be sifting through pages of search results. Instead, we'll be interacting with AI-generated responses crafted specifically for our queries. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you're looking for, right within the search interface. But what does this mean for SEO strategies? The game is about to change, folks. With SGE, the focus shifts from keyword stuffing and link building to providing clear, concise, and contextually relevant information. It's no longer about tricking the algorithm, but about genuinely answering the user's query. For digital marketers, this is a new frontier. With SGE, campaigns will need to be more targeted, more personalized, and more in tune with the user's needs. The era of one-size-fits-all marketing strategies is over. The future is about understanding and catering to individual user intent. As we move closer to 2024, the future of search looks exciting, and it's all thanks to Google's revolutionary Search Generative Experience.